To assemble the Vanpore Ash Vacuum, model BJ1811, put the tank upside down and line up the casters over the labels on the tank. Then push down to lock them in place. Flip the tank over and place the filter bag over the top of the tank. Place the lid on top of the tank with the air outlet over the air intake. Lock the clips onto the lid. The aluminum tube inserts into the female side of the hose. The male side of the hose has tabs to lock it in place on the vacuum. Turn it counterclockwise to connect it to the inlet port or the blower port. The extension tubes slide into each other. There are accessory slots built into the casters and on top of the vacuum.